Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. In this video I will be doing a lesson on packing a overnight bag from the Montessori Practical Life Unit. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. Here are 5 effective tips to teach kids how to pack their own bags. First, finding the right luggage is essential. For shorter trips, a small backpack works well, allowing kids to carry their own snacks, toys, and a water bottle. This instills a sense of responsibility. For longer journeys, consider a trolley bag that kids can choose themselves. It should be lightweight and manageable, helping them learn the importance of packing wisely. Second, providing a packing list is crucial. A simple template can guide children in selecting necessary items while allowing them to personalize their choices. For younger kids, drawing dots for each item can make the process engaging. This not only helps them remember essentials but also fosters independence. Third, using packing cubes can significantly streamline the packing process. These handy organizers help keep clothes sorted and easy to find. Teaching kids to roll or fold their clothes in a KonMari style ensures everything fits neatly in their luggage. This method makes unpacking a breeze and encourages organization. Fourth, being selective about what to pack is a valuable lesson. Encourage kids to think critically about their choices. Discuss the activities planned during the trip and tailor the packing list accordingly. For older children, suggest versatile clothing options that can be mixed and matched. For younger ones, simplicity is key. Matching outfits can save time and reduce stress. Finally, celebrating the completion of packing is important. Acknowledging their effort boosts confidence and makes the experience enjoyable. Congratulating kids for a job well done reinforces positive behavior and encourages them to take pride in their accomplishments. In summary, teaching kids to pack for vacation not only enhances their organizational skills but also lightens the load for parents. By finding the right luggage, providing a packing list, utilizing packing cubes, encouraging selectivity, and celebrating their efforts, children can learn valuable life skills while preparing for exciting adventures. This approach transforms packing from a chore into a fun family activity, setting the stage for memorable vacations together. These tips can make family trips smoother and more enjoyable, ensuring everyone is ready for the adventure ahead. Happy travels! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to teach Montessori and on instructions on how to set up your own home Montessori teaching environment. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53.